Hey everybody, this is Evil Crosser. We're back with another review, and today we're reviewing the JJGJ 10-inch Android tablet. And it has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and the storage is actually expandable to 1 terabyte of storage. And it has, of course, 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. It has an 8,000 milliamp battery, so it's actually long lasting. It's an octa-core processor, I believe 400 nits for the brightness, and it has Android 14 on it. So definitely this is a Android tablet at a great price point. So you can usually get this for under $100 on Amazon. And I'll leave the link in the description here. But yeah, let's go ahead and review the JJGJ 10-inch Android tablet. And I appreciate them for providing me with this unit for review. Let's get into it. So it's going to be a basic Android tablet. It's going to have the USB-C cable, so it's USB-A to USB-C, which is handy. It also does come with a screen protector, which I'll put on in a little bit, and the user manual, so just in case you need to recover it, change some settings, the manual here will let you know how to do that. And this is the Android tablet itself. So 10 Android, the 10.1 inch tablet with Android 14. Now we press this power button. We have this great wallpaper. Beautiful. So you just slide it to open. Now, sorry, I didn't press the button correctly here. So just make sure you hold on the lock sign, lock symbol, slide it up, and you'll get there. So look, you're greeted with this nice interface. Now, just make sure when you sign into your Google account, you get all the apps updated. It will take some time. So, you know, you got to give it some time to do its thing. So they recommend you, when opening it up, to plug it into the charger. If you're doing updates, just to have it plugged in, just in case, you know, any updates fail because of a low battery or something like that. So just make sure you are plugging it into charge. But once you do all the updates, you know, in the beginning it's a little bit slow. Once you do the updates, they're all cleared out, everything runs smoothly. So your typical Android, all your Google Play stuff, it's right on here. So you have all that here, and then you have, you know, the internet right there for you. So the typical search, and then you can go to your YouTube. Definitely go to my channel here on YouTube, and we'll get to our videos here. Let's see what they got here for us. Yep, and that's me there. Let's see this how-to video.
Hey guys, we're back with another video. This is how to.
And the volume goes pretty loud too.
Gen 3 for Xbox, the Xbox version, to your Xbox Series X or F.
So as you can tell there, it's pretty loud. And look at when you do expand it. Let's check out, see if the qualities here is only on 480 right now. So we can go to advanced, go to the 1080p, and boom. Look how nice that looks for this 10-inch tablet. Wow, it's actually really good. So definitely, you're gonna want to get one of these. You know, instead of just staying on your phone, the little screen, you just want something just to dabble with. You know, late night, you're on the bed, ready to go to bed. You don't want to turn the TV on. Boom, download your favorite app onto this device and watch a movie TV show, or watch some YouTube content. Watch Evil Crossover on YouTube here. So definitely I would recommend, for under $100, it's really snappy. See that? With the 12 gigabytes of RAM, that's more than enough to power this device. It's better than some of the other devices you see out there that have a different OS. So it's definitely good that you have the Google. And you can always do a screen share to your other devices to cast. So it has that capability. It has Bluetooth in here. The volume's pretty loud. The speakers are pretty good. They're down firing speakers on those two speaker grills there, but they're really loud. And you have the auto rotate there, as you saw. And then on the for the I/O here, just to show you, we have the USB, we have the power button, volume buttons. So power button, volume buttons, and then you have your charging port, USB-C again, and for the expandable storage there. So definitely a cool tablet, and it's an 8 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera on the tablet. So it's gonna be like your typical camera. I'll show you right now. It's gonna be like your typical camera, decent quality. You're not getting really a tablet to do anything crazy with it, right? You're just getting the tablet to browse the web, watch some videos, TV shows, movies. But yeah, that's the camera there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And when you hit the volume rocker on the side here, tell you how up and down it goes. So yeah, definitely not bad at all. Not bad at all. So you can press the volume right here. Go up and down if you want to slide, if you don't want to use the button. But yeah, it's really cool for under $100. Definitely recommend it. Long lasting. So definitely check this tablet out by JJGJ Store, the 10-inch Android tablet. Again, it has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, more than enough storage for you. And it expands to 1 terabyte with an 8,000 milliamp battery. So definitely more than enough that you need here. So definitely check it out and click the link. And I'll catch you on the next review.